Welcome to Virology Research Services, where we decode science and provide innovative solutions. Have you ever wondered how materials can fight against viruses, including the surfaces we touch every day? ISO21702 is the standard that answers this question. Essentially, it measures how well solid materials can reduce virus levels over a specific period of time. And in our post-pandemic world, understanding and controlling surface transmission of viruses has become a top priority. ISO 21702 is important because it helps manufacturers create safer surfaces for high-contact areas like door handles, phones, medical devices, and even public transport seats. These innovations could reduce the risk of viral transmission and keep us safer. Now, let's take a closer look at how this standard works. First, the surface to be tested, such as a piece of plastic or a coated material, is cleaned and cut to the required size, typically 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. A small amount of the virus suspension, in liquid form, is applied directly to the test surface. This step is known as inoculation. It simulates what might happen in real life, like if someone coughs or sneezes on a surface. To ensure even contact between the virus and the surface, a thin plastic film or similar material is placed over the inoculated area. Then, the samples are incubated at a set temperature and humidity, typically around 25 degrees Celsius, for a duration of up to 24 hours. This mimics typical environmental conditions. After incubation, the virus is recovered from the surface. This is done by rinsing or swabbing the sample with the media, which collects the remaining viral particles from the test area. The recovered virus is then applied to host cells to measure its infectivity from both treated and untreated samples. Now comes the analytical part. The recovered solution is tested using methods like TCID50, where scientists measure the amount of active virus by observing its ability to infect living cells. The results from the test sample are compared to a control surface that doesn't have antiviral properties. This comparison helps calculate the R value, which quantifies the surface's antiviral effectiveness, with higher R values indicating stronger antiviral activity. If the surface meets or exceeds the standard requirements, it can be labeled as ISO 21702 compliant. For businesses, achieving ISO 21702 compliance is a game changer. It builds consumer trust and provides a competitive edge in the market. And for us, the consumers, it means peace of mind knowing that the surfaces we touch are actively working to keep us safe. We hope this video was useful. If you're interested in testing materials for antiviral properties, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help.